taken it apart to show you the pieces as they are, and it's when we make these originally, this piece, when it's inside there, everything runs true and concentric, and while that's inside there, this cone is machined, and that's why everything stays concentric. Once that's back in here, so when we make it, you can see that this disc is rocking at the moment, and once it engages, we would torque this up to a specific tension, but then all the grinding is done between those two centres. So we grind the shank, the collar and the tips when everything is concentric. But that cone there, if it ever turns, that cone is not true to its own outside diameter. You can see by the way, I can't get it back out now, but it is, the thread on that cone is not true to the cone that's on the outside of here. So as soon as it turns, that's what makes it look like you're thinking it's out of round. This and this are still round and they're still concentric to each other. But you can line the tips, if you want to send them somewhere, is that the people will have to make sure that this and this are all running true, and then you will have to recone this end while those three things are running true. If you can do that, then you can put it between centres and grind this again, as long as you double check that this and this are running true. But you do need to, that's the only way. If you sent them back to us, that's what we would try and do. We would clock up this and this and re-machine that cone on the end of that screw, because once we do that, it does mean we can put it back between centres and actually grind any of these diameters and stay concentric to the others.